Good afternoon, mag-aalauna na. May bisita kami panghapunan ito na lulutuin namin ngayon ni May. Nandito ang mga ingredients namin na para sa chicken feet. Ito ang order nila, chicken feet para sa adobo. Ito nalaga na with the garlic and ginger and black pepper. Also mamaya pag inadobo ko ito guys, ito yung 7-up na panghalo ko, parang tenderizer ito ay. Pag nilagyan mo lang ng kunti nito, mas lalo pang malambot yung paa ng chicken. Also, I had the soy sauce. This is the soy sauce. We had to mix it and then accent. That's just all the ingredients for my adobo. And we have a garlic, onion, and that's all. Okay, so like I said, ito naman ground pork. Nagawa kami ng ground pork, you know, with potato. Okay, onion, garlic, you know, also carrot and bell pepper. So we mix it with the sauce. We have tomato sauce for that. And then meron tayong isa na tomato paste. Ito ang pangpapula natin. Kung ano yung lagay nyo na gusto nyong spice nitong ground pork na ito, you can dagdagan nyo ng tawag ba niya yun, pasas. Pero wala silang reason dito. So, just simple, okay? At saka magluluto kami ng pancit, chicken na sisig. Ito ngayon mamaya, ingredients lang niya ito, onion lang, at saka sili, at saka some of dahon ng sibuyas, and that's be it. And also, we have all these vegetables, pakbet, na lulutuin din namin. Okay, with ampalaya. So ngayon, ito, magsisinigang din kami ng sinigang na bangus, okay, with dahon ng ampalaya, bitter melon. Okay, I will show you guys the bitter melon. Ito, yung bitter melon, easy lang ito. Sibuyas, kamatis lang, at saka luya, at saka bitter melon, pagluto na yung bangus. So we have, you know, a little bit menu, and also the noodles. We having noodle, we don't put anything. Just no kanto, just canton only. Kasi hindi naman sila siguro marami. So ito lang ang papansitin namin mamaya. Okay guys, I will show you and check it out later if we're done cooking. And I take a pictures and we need your support. Okay? Alright. Well, thank you. May na yung isa.